Hi, it's Lou Manfredini, Ace's home expert, and in this video, we're going to show you how to replace a shower head. Let me show you how it's done. Okay, when it comes to replacing a shower head, one of the things that can be a little overwhelming is when you go to the hardware store, you'll see that there are a ton of different shower heads. It's really a matter of personal choice when it comes to the style that you want. For the most part, the arm, the shower arm that comes away from the wall, that is a standard size. So when you're choosing a shower head, you can pretty much with confidence know that the shower head that you choose will fit the arm that's coming out of the wall. Now, what's very important to remember is that when you're taking the shower head off, you're going to use a pair of slip joint pliers like these. And a little pro tip is to use a little bit of painter's tape because you don't want to mar the finish either taking the shower head off or putting the new shower head on. For the most part, if you grab the shower arm with your hand and then use the slip joint pliers to loosen the old shower head, it should loosen up and then you can take it off the rest of the way by hand. If for some reason you notice that it's so tight that you can't do that, you may need two sets of pliers and you're going to have to wrap that shower arm with some tape as well so you don't mar the finish. Once that is completely removed, you may notice that some water comes out of that pipe a little bit. That's okay. You're going to want to clean up the threads on the shower arm using your hand or even a wire brush or a towel really. And then use what's called Teflon tape, or you could use some plumber's dope. It's like a pipe dope. Either one is fine to go around those threads so that you get a nice seal with the new shower head going on. You'll carefully screw it on. Remember, righty-tighty, lefty-loosey, and tighten it up. And you don't want to over tighten, but you may need to use those slip joint pliers with some tape around it again to just give it a little bit of a little tighten there to get a nice tight seal, and then you're done. And that's it. If you need more information, go to acehardware.com and please subscribe to our YouTube channel where we have more helpful videos. Better yet, go to your local Ace Hardware store because remember, Ace is the helpful place.